Alright, so the second print just got done on the Qidi Tech Q1 Pro. This is PolyLite ASA being fed from my hex filament dryer into the printer. And this is what's going to be holding the carbon pellets to filter ABS fumes and stuff like that. This file was available on Qidi Tech's website to be printed for this printer, but originally this design was supposed to be installed on the inside, but another individual on Maker World had designed this system to where there is a two-part system. You have this cartridge holder that mounts on the outside, and then you have a duct on the inside that mounts to direct the airflow out. So this is the filter. This is a tire. I don't know if y'all heard that kink kink kink. That was the print cooling and popping off the build plate. So that is really flat. So that's good. This is, like I said, PolyLite ASA. I printed this with just the standard profile in Orca slicer for the Q1. Printed at 255, 90 degrees on the bed with a chamber temperature of 55. And I will tell you that a mark of a really good dialed in printer is how it does retraction. So if you see this, you see all these little, every one of these is a part where the printer had to deposit filament, retract the filament, deposit filament, retract the filament. And it had to do this all these many times. And this is so damn clean, you would not think this was 3D printed. You just wouldn't. I printed it on functional parts like this. I print with fuzzy skin on, and this one was a 0.05 by 0.05 fuzzy skin just to give it some texture, and it actually erases mostly the layer lines, so you get this really nice finished product. But this thing is absolutely ridiculous. I wonder how this is supposed to fit. So does it go like this? Okay, so it snaps in. Well, hard to do it with one hand, but anyway, dimensionally it's fine. It'll fit in there. But the print quality on this is absolutely amazing. I am astonished by the way this printed. I mean, I didn't change anything other than adding the fuzzy skin. This is Qidi Tech standard profile for ASA, but it is so clean. The grid is so clean. It's just amazing how clean it is. Like I said, that is a very, very good dialed in printer that can do like this with no blobs and gloops and stringing and all that kind of stuff, because it printed like this, and every one of these it had to deposit a tiny amount of material, retract that filament, move, deposit another tiny bit, retract it, move, deposit another tiny bit, and do this at speed, you know, all the way through to print this. Man, I am absolutely astonished. This looks like something you would buy. Alright, well, there you go. The Qidi Tech Q1 is killing it so far.